Good afternoon, everybody. We're going to talk about Priceline as a daily chart, and Priceline is a leader in the market. And I'm also using a 60-minute on Priceline. This diamonds that you see right here, we happen to have built that into a robot. And basically what it does is high frequency turbo options algorithms that are there with these breakouts and the math. And it tracks everybody in the market, but specifically it tracks HFT firms. And unfortunately, that doesn't give someone that likes to be an option trader um, the confidence, but we can put that behind you and you can start with your confidence now, please, because this is a 60-minute chart. And in the back end, very quickly, these are called deltas. Today is 1425, and these are done by fractions at equal price. So let's just say Priceline went up to 1/2 delta. That would equal $15.74 to get there. And this is the type of things that we do in the ascending format values. But just remember, the teenies do come from here. And yes, this is algorithms that cover everything for turbo option trading plus the equity option trading. It's built in for both units. And basically, we just only care about one thing. We only will do what these diamonds say they do. And this thing started breaking down over here, and I'm just going to show this part of it. So when we went to the top and those diamonds couldn't go higher in the system, which is a high frequency bot algorithm built in with arithmetic and everything else you want to use, we made it very simple. And these diamonds, look at how that teeny was, right to the penny. 1, 2, 3 teenies right here, and 4. That's how accurate this platform is, and how the common denominators work equally with high frequency turbo option algorithms, also referred to as turbo option trading platform, and also is related to Panther HFT platform. Here is that daily diamond, and the 60-minute diamond is right here. So we definitely have that reversal. And here are the call and put charts that people have not seen. We want to just take another look here. So what we're going to do on this day, on this 60-minute, is we're going to take this where the gap started. Look at that pop, and see these diamonds. These are our tools that we have built in the system when it comes for people trading the options. Here we can see that Priceline daily, 1, 2, 3 lines that went up. Each one of these are, I can show you, each one of these lines are $7.10. And this is on Priceline daily. So that's extreme. And we just want to pinpoint that with the application, turbo option application. The high frequency algorithms are built in on the 60-minute mathematically, and the daily mathematically, where the put options started to pay, and they were going that way, and then they popped it right back up here in our platform, and our platform is right. So this is what it looks like back here, and these are the common denominator values at equal price, and either positive or negative. But right now the put options are paying big money. Here we have a value. It's a 1430 put option, and those put options for retail up here. But when they started getting down here, This is where the prices could our entries was 12.80 all the way up to the high of the day is $19, and it is. And this is a 1430 put chart at that strike price. And remember, beginners, go ahead and get on in here. This is what our HFT high turbo trading platform, high frequency turbo option algorithms is what we're talking about now, and how they work with the MT market maker. How do they know that they can be trading these at the prices that make the actual most money? So we always want to look at the fear indicators that were also going higher right here. So the fear indicators had a factor, even though it was lighter volume. I'm going to show you right now in Priceline that on today we had a breakout, and today's low was $12.50, and this is a nice trade. And on this 60-minute call chart that we're going to show next, you can see the put chart had a great move in Priceline intraday action. But let us not forget one thing, that Priceline was going in this direction in our market maker application right here. And you can see where these big diamond stitches are right here. Well, a whole bunch of people at the close obviously came in to buy the technology index, maybe, or internet index, wherever listings this is, and when that was going down, that's why the put options on this intraday. And let us be knowing for one thing, and the whole thing about it is now, it's the turbo option trading platform is factored in there. We have high frequency turbo option algorithms, which we're doing right now, and you can see how these algorithms took you to 60-minute highs, and this was a beautiful trade. And that was the $1,430 put option when Priceline could not go any higher, and it did not go any higher. And please watch the whole video so that way you can get in here and take advantage.